Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check what kind of phone you have, the model number, phone number, all of the specs, all of the details on both iPhone and Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I have both my Android phone here and my iPhone. The first thing you'll want to check to see is what type of phone you have, whether it's iPhone or Android. You can see the iPhone has that little circle, the oval cutout at the top, whereas Android has just a little circle cutout. And they look fairly similar, but you can see on iPhone, it just has this dock at the very bottom, whereas Android doesn't necessarily have that. And it also has those three lines, the circle, and the back button. Now, let's first do this on your iPhone. Let's say we want to know what type of phone it is, the specs, and maybe even the phone number that's associated with it. So let's tap on the settings icon. If you don't see it, you can just swipe down and search for settings. And from here, I would highly recommend first just tapping on general and then about. It will give you a lot of information. The name of the iPhone, you can set this to whatever you want. The iOS version, this is the operating system and the version of it. The model name, in this case, iPhone 16 Pro. The model number, serial number, and if you scroll down, you can also find some interesting information like the IMEI number and ICCID that might be asked by certain carriers if you're buying or selling that phone. Now, you might also want to find the phone number on that phone. To be able to find that phone number, you can find it either by tapping on cellular and then looking at an eSIM and it says my number right there. Or you can go back out here and go to the bottom and tap on apps. And then you can scroll down until you get to the phone app here. So tap on phone. And then there it says my number. You'll be able to see your phone number associated with your account on there. Now, that's how you find out information on an iPhone, but let's do the same thing on an Android. Let's swipe up and open up your settings. Within your settings, the first thing you can do is scroll down until you get to the section that says About Phone at the very bottom. Tap on that, and you can see this is a Samsung Galaxy S25, the model name, the serial number, hardware version. It also gives you the phone number associated with your eSIM or physical SIM card, the network, as well as the IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. You can also go down for status information, legal, software, etc. Now, this gives you some basic information about your Android phone as well. Keep in mind, you can always just go back out of here and then scroll to the top and tap on Connections. And from here, tap on SIM Manager. And again, this will show you the SIM card or the eSIM that is associated with your Android phone. So you'll be able to get a good idea of what type of phone it is, whether it's fully updated, what the phone number is associated with it, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.